Hi, my name is Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup a Breakup blog. And today I am so happy to give a sneak peek, well, yeah, on something that's a new venture for the Ipsy brand, and it's called Refreshments. Look at this lovely drawstring bag. Is this gorgeous or what? Okay, here's the box. Do you want to know what Refreshments is all about? I will tell you. This bag is beautiful. Okay. So here we have the brochure that says, "Welcome to your party for one. Get ready to jazz things up." Why settle for basics when you can have refreshments? This is a cleansing and shaving service that Ipsy is providing. Yes, a subscription to one. And this is like the ultimate pamper experience. It includes lotions, shaving creams, shavers, and the replacement blades for the shavers. This is very interesting. So I'm just going to read off here what it says. It says, "Our sparkling clean promise, always vegan and free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. Extra love from Mother Nature. Our components are made from post-consumer recycled materials. Our face wipes are biodegradable. Our razor handle is reusable. We share shipping with Ipsy to reduce packaging. We are committed to protecting our planet." Okay, so maybe I misspoke. Maybe Refreshments is partnering with Ipsy. I assumed that this is Ipsy's brand. Okay, language is a little, So what's inside? They had a deal that they extended that the initial mini subscription box or bag, I guess in this matter, would be free to try out. After that, subsequently, the base subscription starts at $5. What happens is there are other things in their line, like I mentioned, the shaving cream, body lotions, and the like, that you can add on to your initial subscription. So the base, very base, apparently is like the razors to replace this first kit that you get. So that here, and you can see it. And it reads, "What's inside? The Luxe 5-blade razor kit. Make way for smooth." So it comes with 2 5-blade cartridges, a soothing strip to prevent bumps and burn, and clip-on attachment for easy replacement. Has a shower holder so you can leave it in the shower. It says a suction cup and a hook for easy convenient storage, and then a reusable handle, secure grip for easy handling, fun colors for banishing boring. So this is how the membership works. So I'm just going to read this aloud. So it says, "Relax, your refreshments are on their way. We'll ensure you're well stocked for your routine with your favorite superstar essentials, and from time to time we'll add some everyday extras for you to try at a great value." And it says, "You're in control. Use hand cream more, face wipes less. Update your recurring monthly orders by adding, removing, or skipping products before we bill you at the last day of each month. Refreshments will ship free every month with the glam bag." So I'm assuming this one came with the Glam Bag Plus that I have. So that was already in there. It says, "Get excited to get a little extra in your shipment." And then finally, "No strings attached. Need a break? You can skip products or cancel anytime. If you're not satisfied, email." So it gives the email address. So this is basically for your bath. Something to refresh, shavers, creams, shaving cream lotions. This is incredible. So this is sort of what it looks like, their line. I love that it's so brightly colored like that. Let's see what they have here. Yep, wipes, body lotion. And if you want to know more or take more of a peek on what's happening with this Refreshments, they're on Insta, TikTok, and Facebook. If you want to learn a bit more about them or you want to see what else they have. Oh, and they gave me some stickers for my Refreshments. That's cute. I like that. It's fun. Let's see what's inside. This is what it looks like. Glide gracefully over curves and make way for smooth. Okay. So it does give you a warning that it contains sharp blades, so be careful. It opens like this. You see that? So cool. And this is, I guess, your welcome kit when you first start. So that's the handle. That's the suction cup. And these are the 2 blades that come with it. So next month, I should expect to get 2 replacement blades for my razor. $5 a month starting. What do you think? Do you think this is something that's long overdue? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you on my next video adventure. Take care, stay safe. Bye.